there guys, welcome to the meat shop. Thanks for clicking on. This video is part of a special video series inspired by you guys. I've been asked before for a recipe or sausage book, which I don't have, so I thought I would share my favorite book with you, which is Home Production of Quality Meats and Sausage by Stanley and Adam Marinsky. It is my favorite book. I think it's got great information in there for beginners and experts alike. And to celebrate my favorite book, I reached out to Stanley Marinsky and he gave me permission to do Marinsky March. So we're going to do a recipe out of this book every day of March. And all the recipes and all the processes are right out of the book, which will be in the link below. That is, a link to the book will be in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's get into Marinsky March. Hey there guys, welcome to another episode of Marinsky March. Today we're doing a fresh poultry sausage from page 238, the chicken curry sausage. It's super easy. Well, I'll read the description to you right out of the book. Very original, yet simple to make. That's what it says about the chicken curry sausage. And I'm really looking forward to it. I love curry. I like making poultry sausages. We used to make a bunch at the store, and I haven't made you guys any videos yet, but I will. I promise. When Marinsky March is done, I'll make a couple more poultry sausage videos for you. But today, it's a fresh chicken curry out of Home Production of Quality Meats and Sausage by Adam and Stanley Marinsky. And the recipe calls for 700 grams of chicken and 300 grams of pork back fat. So that's what I got here. I just got a mix. It's about 2/3 chicken breast with skin on, 1/3 chicken thigh, skin off, all boneless, and then 300 grams of nice pearly white pork back fat, because the breast and the chicken thigh with the skin off on the chicken thigh ends up being super lean. So you need to hit something for juiciness because it's a fresh sausage. It's going to be cooked. So super easy guys. Grind all fat through a 3/8 plate. Mix meats with all ingredients and stuff into casings. And then I'm cooking these ones and tasting them on this episode because I've never made a chicken curry sausage before in my life. So it'll be a first, and I'm looking forward to that. So I'll bring you guys in and we'll run it through the grinder. All right guys, there's our 1 kilogram of, well, 700 grams of chicken, 300 grams of pork back fat that we're gonna run through a 3/8 plate. Run some breast in with some fat. So it's gonna have 30% fat in the end, which is about the most I like putting in my fresh sausages, but I think since chicken is so lean, it's gonna be a really good combination. All right, so the grinding step is as simple as that. A quick kilogram. Next step, guys, is mix our spices into our meat block. Here's our seasonings that I pre-mixed up, followed directly from the book, 238. Oh, I need some white wine for this. I'll have to go get that. Sprinkle that on there, guys. And then just mix it in until we start to get some even distribution and protein extraction. Oh, wow. That smells good. So basically all I'm doing, guys, is I'm flipping it around, tossing it, making sure everything gets well distributed. It didn't take very long for this stuff to get really sticky. Okay, I'm gonna have to go find some wine, guys. I forgot about that. So I'll be right back to add the wine. All right, guys, I don't have any white wine, so I'm gonna have to use some cooking sherry here. It says it's good with poultry, ideal with fish, seafood, meat, and poultry dishes. So, Home Production of Quality Meats and Sausage. You have to use what you got at home. But it calls for 50 milliliters of this full-bodied Chateau Thierry. See how that goes. That's going to help distribute the spices and add another level of flavor to this sausage. There we go. Now I smell lots of that sherry, that white wine. Okay. Good protein extraction. We're ready to stuff. That smells so good, holy smokes. Okay guys, there's that chicken curry and pork mixture. I'm gonna get that set up into the stuffer and we'll stuff it into the 29-32 millimeters. All right, we got her loaded up there. Gonna grab a casing that I have flushed out already. 29 32mm hog natural casings for these fresh frying beauties. Put a little water in there. A little chicken sausage from the last batch in the horn still, but that's okay. Sneak that on. That's gonna be more than we need, I'm sure. But should be right at the end of the horn already, guys, so I just leave a little bit. A couple hands underneath, a couple hands on top, and you just grab and stop that first little bit that comes out. That should build up onto your horn. After that, oh yeah, there's the curry stuff right away. Got that nice yellow tinge to it. That looks so yummy. I don't usually cook up the sausages and eat them in the same video, but I think I'm gonna have to with these ones. Yes, I'm gonna have to. All right, got them stuffed. Twist them into 4-inch lengths. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do them up into 4-inch lengths. And I should have checked as I was going to make sure that they have enough give, but they definitely do. So 1, 2, 3 towards myself. Pinch, go to the next spot. 1, 2, 3 towards myself. There's a bunch of different ways to link, but one. All right. And this last little bit, a little different color. That's the smoked chicken sausage. I don't know if you've seen that episode yet, but if you haven't, tune in. But look at how yummy those guys look. My goodness. I'm going to fire up the frying pan, put a bit of oil or butter in, and cook one of these and eat it in front of you guys so that it inspires you to make your own. And so you get to eat your own. All right, guys, let's get my high-end cooking gear fired up. My turkey cooker. Whew, it's gonna be too hot. Get a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Get that warm. Keep them from sticking. Let that olive oil get nice and hot before we put them in and sear them. Okay, pan's starting to smoke now, so it's got to be ready. Put a couple of these bad boys in. And hear that sound? Look at that pan. That's guaranteed to be yummy. Anyways, I'm gonna give them a sear, flip them around, and sear the other side. You guys don't need instructions on how to cook sausage, I'm sure. You guys know how to cook them. All right, when they got that nice golden brown color on the bottom side, it's flipping time. Whoa, baby. They are looking beautiful. Got nice color on both sides. Now I usually just turn the temperature down and cover them until they get cooked in the middle. All right, guys. Little steam shot for you. They smell really good. You can smell the wine. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, I'm gonna pull these guys off and dive into them. All right, guys, they're finished up. Get you a close up here. How do those guys look? Pretty freaking deadly, I think. Let's dive into them. Okay, guys, got you a close up now. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. We'll cut into one of these guys. Oh yeah, nice and juicy from the pork in there. Let's have a bite. Wow. It's hot. Not spicy hot, but man, that's packed with flavor. Let me tell you, that's delicious. You guys gotta get yourself the book and make yourself the chicken curry fresh sausage recipe out of home production of Quality Meats and Sausage, because this is delicious. So much flavor, so juicy. Really happy with that. 2 thumbs up for sure. But anyways, guys, this wraps up the chicken curry sausage episode of Marinsky March. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And go get yourself the book so you can make this sausage. Man, that's good. Thanks for watching.